All right, I think we're ready. Welcome back, players. We are going to be doing my final assignment for ArcGIS. Now, I've already done question 1 right here. All the stuff that's highlighted green. Question 2 is completely separate, and I have some files that we're going to be using. I haven't taken a look at this whatsoever, so we're just going to go all in. In this exercise, you will be identifying suitable area for lodging in Tongass National Forest in Alaska based on certain criteria. You're provided data in a file geodatabase format. Geodatabase contains 2 feature classes named stand and streams, which I believe that we have right here, these 2. Stands is polygons of forest stands, and streams are water bodies in the area. Examine the projection and attribute data structure for the different feature classes. Among the fields for stands feature class, among the attribute fields for stands feature class, stand value represents the estimated value. I thought that's going to be important. In millions. And lease ID represents lease area. Attributes for streams. Feature class has additional relevant to different tasks below. Okay, sweet. So what we're going to do is create a new polygon feature class that has a distinct / unique lease areas with its aggregated stand value in millions. Name the feature output class leases and save it in the geodatabase. So I'm going to create a new stands polygon class that has unique lease areas with aggregate stand value in millions. So I think that all I need to do is drag this bad boy on in here. Looks like we're doing the, where is this in Alaska? Oh, this is it's pretty far south in Alaska. Alright, let's pop up in the attribute table here. So we have our lease ID, the stand value in millions, the value per meter. Alright. A new feature class has distinct unique lease areas with aggregated stand value in millions. Name the output feature class leases, save it the geodatabase as the input. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a new feature layer based on the lease ID and aggregating by the stand value. Alright. I don't know how to do this. I think that I can just... Okay, can I do it like this? And then map the fields. Okay, first we're going to do stands and export this into the geodatabase. And call it stands. Save that. Okay. So we're going to do... This might take a few tries. Let's see here. Will join the input field values. See, I don't know if I need to do any filter. I don't think that I do. I don't think I can do relate here. I'm gonna mess around first with the fields. And we'll do that first. So, I guess that I could do join. I don't know. First, and then maybe stand value is sum. No. We'll try this first. Let's do this. And we should get a new stands layer. Oop. I don't know what I did. I went to the attributes. Just press Control T. Ooh, there's no attribute table whatsoever for this. Interesting. There's not even polygons for this. Alright. Actually, go to catalog view. That's not what I wanted, but it's okay. Did I not put stands in? Oh, there we go. Delete. Yep. This is interesting. Can I remove you? To start edits. That's why. Yes, permanently delete. Alright. I'm actually going to doodle this. Okay, good, we are going. We're going to doodle, may have like maybe it is just merge. So we're gonna merge stands. We're gonna put stands into stands in here. We're just gonna try this, I think. I know that I can calculate, or I can do summary statistics on this. Merge completed with warnings. Empty output generated. Awesome. Can I do select layer by attribute and then merge them all together later? That would kind of suck. Back to a table. And I'm going to, I mean, I can literally do summarize stand value by lease ID, right? If I run that, and I open that, oops, that didn't do anything. Why didn't that do anything? Summarize. Oops. That'd be why. Hold on. It's doing it with the wrong stands. Delete this. This is empty. Alright. Oh, no, that should be the right one. Summarize. Stands. Sum the stand value for the lease ID. Alright. Then why is there nothing? Why is there nothing? I need your fields. Right. Stand ID or lease ID is attached. Stand value is numeric. It's like 1,400 of these. I think I'm just gonna have to do this the way I didn't want to do it, which was I'm just gonna select it by attribute. I'm gonna do where lease ID is equal to A. We just run that. So that's all the ones where they're equal to A. I just take this and then export the features. Do stands A. Why is this giving me an empty output? I don't really understand that. I have this selection and I want to export the features. Is it because it's like because I need to do this stands? Empty output generated. Okay. This creates a new selection. Major feature layer based on stands. call it stands layer, run that. So that makes a thing. But that makes a thing where there's everything. Export features from stamps to export features shape. Sure. This might literally just be a let's remove everything. Yeah, I wanted to remove stands too. It's okay. Go to the catalog. Go to here. Nothing in my geodatabase. So I'm going to just I'm going to save this, and I'm just going to restart ArcGIS. Here we are in Q2. Final assignment. I'm going to do this. I'm going to actually just go ahead and export the features of stands into my geodatabase. And then we're just going to hope that the... Why? Major feature layer. Stands one, sure. These properties, I should be able to see. Nope, it's still part of that geodatabase. I'm going to select stands, where the lease ID is equal to A. Right. Then, what I want to do, I want to go data, export table. I'm going to export that table. Empty output generated. So let me dig through these properties a little bit. NAD 1927. Alright, sweet. Is that what we were missing? Maybe? Data export features. Sure. Check the extent environment. Okay, I will check the extent environment. Is there any sort of hint about it in my thing here? Not that I can really see. All right. If I zoom to layer here, it gives me the correct extent. So the top and bottom, actually, okay, the left and right here, do I need to make this, I gotta coordinate systems, I gotta change the coordinate system to this. Alright, I've changed my default coordinate system. I'm gonna go to analysis, I'm gonna make the output coordinate system this, okay. I got to do OK. Then I'm going to reset the extent in here. Use a custom extent. Select an extent of that. Okay. Now that my extent is proper, we have that. Our extent is good. Spatial reference is good. Do OK. I'm going to deselect everything. I'm going to redo this. Do stands, select all those. Then I'm going to do data export features. I'm going to call you stands A. And then we're still generating an empty output. Which is still really quite annoying. This is definitely one of the problems of all time. I will tell you that much for sure. This is one of the issues of all time. Yeah, super interesting. Alright, I think that I'm going to give up. This might be a give up type thing. We're going to give up. That sounds good to you. So, thank you for watching. If you